How to use frankincense essential oil to treat and prevent all types of cancer. There are many ways that essential oils and aromatherapy can support in cancer healing, including stress relief and emotional support. However, there is one essential oil shown to act directly on cancer cells, preventing growth or even promoting apoptosis, cancer cell death. Frankincense essential oil. Frankincense oil is extracted from the gum or resin from frankincense or Olibanum trees, whose scientific name is Boswellia Carteri. It has even been found in the remains of ancient Egyptian and Anglo-Saxon civilizations. The main health benefits of frankincense oil can be attributed to the following properties: anti-inflammatory, astringent, antiseptic, disinfectant, digestive, expectorant, diuretic. Frankincense essential oil therapy. Frankincense essential oil is one of the most effective natural cancer treatments. And now research trials proving it's a vital treatment for brain cancer, breast cancer, colon cancer, pancreatic cancer, prostate cancer, stomach cancer. Dr. Hsu-Kung Lin, an associate professor in the Department of Urology at the University of Oklahoma, has made some astounding discoveries through his research on the essential oil of frankincense. Here are just a few of his findings. Frankincense oil, Boswellia Carteri, induces bladder tumor cell death, while the oil derived from Boswellia sacra induces breast cancer cell death without harming healthy cells. Sacred frankincense oil, Boswellia sacra, inhibits the faulty signaling and cell cycle regulation that is thought to cause the development of cancer in the first place. Sacred frankincense oil, Boswellia sacra, makes it difficult for cancer cells to form networks and disrupts cancer cell development, potentially making it effective as a defense against advanced cancers as well as for cancer prevention. According to researchers out of Baylor University Medical Center in Dallas, the potential cancer-killing effects of frankincense are due in part to its ability to influence your genes to promote healing. Baylor cancer scientists emphasize that this potency makes Boswellia serrata a viable candidate for both cancer prevention and treatment. A 2011 study found that frankincense essential oil can offer a much safer alternative to this medication. In the study, 60% of patients had an improvement rate of at least 75% in their level of brain swelling. According to immunologist Mahmoud Suhail, frankincense exhibits power over our DNA code. He states cancer starts when the DNA code within the cell's nucleus becomes corrupted. It seems frankincense has a reset function. It can tell the cell what the right DNA code should be. Frankincense separates the brain of the cancerous cell, the nucleus, from the body-the cytoplasm, and closes down the nucleus to stop it reproducing corrupted DNA codes. I'd say that's a big deal in our quest for a cure. How frankincense essential oil therapy works. Rub frankincense essential oil on your neck 3 times daily. Also, drink 3 drops in 8 ounces of water 3 times daily.